So I thought it wise to feature startup companies or startup brands on this my YouTube channel. What do you think?
Hello, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is PB Sencherey, and as we do it always, we just want to have some new content base here on the channel. So for some time now, I've been advocating for starting a startup content, and you all know about that. I know most of you know, if not all of you, and I've also started posting some of these contents on my YouTube shorts. Yeah, so this is the time to implement and also put into practice everything like I've always thought of. So if you are not part of this channel, please do well to be part of this channel. And if you are part already, please stay here and also introduce this channel to your friends and family and every loved one you have, even to your enemies. Yes, I'll be so glad. So very soon we will be starting some conversation, as some people say, interviews with startups and also other people who have a lot of insight in this any business. Yeah, it can be having your own business, working under someone, and also like anything business. So yeah, do well to stick and stay, and also you can recommend people to us or recommend us to people. I'll be putting my number down here in case you want to have a content with us. You just hit us up, then we link up, so we have something special on this channel. Yeah, we can do live stream if you wish. Distance is not a barrier. We can do something like a Facebook video or any live stream, then after that we'll post it across all our channels. I do have a YouTube channel, Instagram, and also a Facebook. Yeah, I'm very much active there. I do have a TikTok though, so I can be posting across all these channels. So do well to be part of this family and don't be left out. Business is key. As a young man, a young woman, we all know how the systems or the economies in this world are fluctuating. Yeah, inflation and all that. So you can start out with something on your own. You do something for yourself, and as time goes on, you know, you can start earning from different streams. You can have your own work or job, whatever you do, but from this channel, as you watch day in day out, you can also learn from people how they started earning, and you can also venture into that to get some passive income if you wish. So those who are already into business can also be taught how to do your own marketing style on the internet. That's digital marketing. Yes, and also we can also teach you how to brand yourself to reach the target audience and those you want to promote your business and everything. I thank you all for joining me here today. You just have to stick and stay, as I've been saying. I'm just pleading with you all. Just stick and stay.